can also set it up on your on top of your PC, which is really good. And you can turn it on like that, and nice and clean, everything is good. You can set it up like that. Okay, so it's pretty good. That's it for the unboxing, but like let's try putting it on the tripod itself. The tripod can be held using it really didn't have any. Oh, okay, we lost something. It has the user manual. So yeah, let's put back the tripod in its place. I don't think we're gonna use it because I really have my own tripod, like the bigger ones, so I don't think I'm gonna use this tripod. But just for the sake of the video, we are going to set it up and see how it really looks. So this is the camera itself. Okay, that's how it looks. We are going to remove the wire, and yeah, so let's remove the wire right now and set it up. So that's it for the unboxing of this camera right here, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Guys, it's Laashak. So just before ending the video, I wanted to say like this video because it took a lot of editing work, and feel free to subscribe to get new content, and also comment on this video about the next like content recommendations. You can also say me things to review on my next video, and feel free to follow my Instagram to know about updates on my next video. I also update thumbnails on my